if you will go back to the Monday or even before, there's a document that says things that you need to know and be able to do for the test. I would look at that and make sure that you can do all of those tasks. As I go through the review, you will see some problems X'd out. Those types of problems are not going to show up on your test. Okay, so the first one is graph each absolute value function and state its vertex. So this is the transformations and knowing what part of the equation does what. So remember that inside the absolute value moves it left and right, left or right, and it's kind of opposite than what I tend to think. Plus 7 I would think over here, but it's not. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the vertex, and the negative outside in front of the absolute value says it opens downward, so it is this. Now the vertex is opposite of H, opposite of what you see, and K. And so this is the opposite of 7 is -7, and there's nothing hanging out, so that's 0. And so that's the vertex. Okay. Here the addition is outside the absolute value, so that's an up and down. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Y acts like it should look like. What it looks like is what it's going to do. And the negative also says it's opening downward. And it's going through the diagonals. And again, HK, there's nothing added. And there's a +7, so the vertex. And we're going to state that this is a max and this is a max. So if it asks it whether it's a max or a min, you're also being able to do that. Okay. Inside the absolute value is a left-right movement. It is left 2, and then this is a down 5. It is no negative, so it opens upward. It's opposite H comma K. It's -2 comma -5. And it is a min. Now we're going to be given a graph and we have to write the transformation and then the equation. So I'm going to name the vertex, and that's 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that is opens up, down 9. And that is Y equals absolute value of X minus 9. This is vertex is at -4, 0. It is left 4, open, down. Y equals negative absolute value of X. Left is +4. Here the vertex is at 6, -3. Down, opens down. 6 right, 3 down. Y equals negative absolute value of X minus 6 minus 3. So again, see the +6 becomes a -6 in there. It looks opposite. To me, it always has looked opposite. These types of problems I'm scratching out. They're not on your review. I assure you they're not on your test either. That is page 1 of your review.